Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for top 5 best Bluetooth transmitter for car 2026? Here my full reviews top 5 best Bluetooth transmitter for car 2026. So start in video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Number 1. The upgraded version 5.3 FM Bluetooth transmitter, a feature-packed car adapter that truly elevates your driving experience. The first thing that stands out is the stable version 5.3 Bluetooth connection. Pairing is instant, and the audio quality is crisp with minimal lag. I tested both music playback and hands-free calls, and the sound was clear and balanced, even at highway speeds. The QC 3.0 fast charging port is a major bonus, allowing quick power-ups for phones and tablets. The LED backlight adds a stylish glow at night, making it easy to find controls without distraction. Plus, voice control compatibility with Siri and Google Assistant brings hands-free convenience to a new level, perfect for navigation or switching songs safely. Overall, this transmitter combines smart design, strong performance, and useful modern features, making it one of the best budget-friendly car kits for anyone wanting to upgrade their older vehicle's audio system. Number 2. The latest JOYROOM Bluetooth 5.4 AUX car adapter, and I must say, it's one of the most impressive upgrades in its category for 2025. Right out of the box, the sleek black design looks modern and premium. Setup couldn't be easier, it's truly plug and play. Within seconds, my phone was connected, and I was streaming music wirelessly through my car's AUX input. The most noticeable improvement is the dual mic system with advanced noise cancellation. Calls are crystal clear, even in noisy environments or at highway speeds. JOYROOM clearly focused on call quality this time, and it shows. The Bluetooth 5.4 technology ensures faster pairing, lower latency, and stable connections with no dropouts, perfect for both hands-free calls and high-quality stereo audio playback. I also appreciate the multifunction button, which makes it simple to control music, answer calls, or activate voice assistants without distraction. The audio output is crisp, balanced, and free of static, far better than older adapters I've tried. Overall, the JOYROOM Bluetooth 5.4 car adapter delivers premium performance in a compact, affordable package. Whether you're upgrading an older car stereo or just want a reliable wireless connection, this 2025 version is absolutely worth it. Number 3. The hands-free call car charger and wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter. It perfectly shows how easy it is to connect any smartphone, Samsung, LG, HTC, or others, and enjoy seamless music streaming or hands-free calls. The dual USB ports are a big plus for charging multiple devices at once, and the sound quality is surprisingly crisp. The video demonstrates the setup step by step, making it simple even for beginners. A practical, reliable, and stylish car gadget for modern drivers. Number 4. The FM transmitter for car Bluetooth 5.3, all metal, and it truly stands out as one of the most premium and functional car adapters I've used. The sleek all-metal body feels durable and elegant, while the blue LED light adds a modern, easy-to-locate glow at night. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a rock-solid connection with minimal latency, perfect for streaming music or taking hands-free calls. The noise-canceling microphone delivers clear audio, reducing background noise even on highway drives. What impressed me most are the PD30W and QC 3.018W fast charging ports, which can power 2 devices simultaneously at incredible speeds. The FM transmission is crisp with stable frequency tuning, producing rich, distortion-free sound when paired with your car radio. Setup is simple, just plug in, match frequencies, and connect your phone. Whether you're upgrading an older car or need a reliable all-in-one Bluetooth and charging solution, this transmitter combines power, style, and performance flawlessly. It's a small device that makes a big difference in daily driving comfort and connectivity. Highly recommended. Number 5. The LEKATO 5.8 GHz wireless guitar system, a compact and budget-friendly solution designed to replace traditional guitar cables while delivering clear, low-latency sound. Whether you're practicing at home, recording, or performing live, this system promises freedom of movement and professional-grade audio at an affordable price. Right out of the box, the system feels sleek and solid. The transmitter and receiver are lightweight but sturdy, with a glossy black finish that looks clean on any guitar rig. Both units feature a 1/4-inch plug that rotates up to 220 degrees, making it easy to fit into guitars and basses of different shapes. Setup is incredibly simple, just power them on, pair them on the same channel, and you're ready to play. One of the biggest highlights is the 5.8 GHz digital transmission, which offers a more stable signal and less interference compared to older 2.4 GHz systems. The sound quality is surprisingly clean, maintaining your tone's natural warmth and clarity without noticeable compression or loss of high-end detail. During my tests, there was virtually no latency, even when playing fast riffs or lead lines. Battery life is another strong point. Each unit includes a built-in rechargeable lithium battery that lasts around 6 hours on a single charge. The included dual USB cable allows you to charge both units simultaneously, which is super convenient. There are 4 selectable channels, so you can easily switch frequencies if you're using multiple wireless systems on stage or in a studio setup. Range-wise, LEKATO claims up to 100 feet, 30 meters, of transmission distance, and in my real-world test, the connection remained solid across a rehearsal space with no dropouts. It's perfect for small to medium venues or home studio setups. In terms of value, this system punches far above its price point. While it may not have the extended range or advanced features of higher-end systems, for the average guitarist or bassist, it delivers everything you need: clean tone, simple operation, and reliable performance. White heavy checkmark pros. Clear, low-latency 5.8 GHz transmission. Easy plug-and-play setup. Long battery life with convenient USB charging. Compact, lightweight design. Excellent value for the price. Crossmark cons. Not ideal for extremely large stages. No battery level indicator. Overall, the LEKATO 5.8 GHz wireless guitar system is an excellent choice for guitarists who want to ditch the cable without compromising tone or reliability. It's affordable, efficient, and perfect for practice, gigs, or studio use. If you're looking for wireless freedom without breaking the bank, this is absolutely worth checking out.